Hey dudes, today I want to talk just a little bit more about Save Copy In. Now, if you haven't seen the first video of this series that I made, it should be flashing somewhere up there for you. But I specifically want to address right now how to clean out your session and make a smaller session size before you send. Just going to make it easier to send over the internet and clean out some of the junk that you don't really need to send. So let's jump into it. Okay. The easiest way probably to do this is just to select the tracks you want to include. So let's go FX and background. So I'm just clicking there, holding Shift, clicking BG10, bada boom. I selected the tracks that I want to select. Now same rules apply. File, Save Copy In. Remember to do audio files as items to copy, and then we can just click selected tracks only. Pretty easy so far. So I'm going to hit OK, and I'm going to call this selected tracks background sesh for final mix. Okay, so before we do the next method, we must do a save as in our Pro Tools session. I'll tell you why in a minute, but let's just do it. File, save as, and let's just call this something like cleaned out. If we ever need to go back in time, we can, but right now we're going to clean it up. Save. All right, next step, go down to the bottom right. Click this icon, open your clips list. And what I can do is now move to the top here to this icon and select unused clips. You will see that the clips I am not using in this edit window are highlighted in blue. So it just found anything that's not being used and highlighted it for me. How convenient. I can then go to the top right corner, click the arrow, clear, and this is very important because you could be pretty destructive here and you don't want to do that. So deleting, no good. We don't want to delete the files permanently. We don't want to move the files to the trash. We want to keep them in other sessions. That's fine. We don't want to delete them off the hard drive, nothing like that. We simply just want to remove them from this session. So now maybe it's making more sense that we have this cleaned out session. All I'm going to do here is hit remove, and look, it's cleaned everything out that I wasn't using. Now we can go to File, Save Copy In, Items to Copy, Audio Files, OK. And I will write cleaned out background sesh and hit save. And just for reference, I'm doing a save copy in right now where I did not clean anything. I just left all of the clips session as is. So once this is done, we'll check all three files and see what the results are. All right, results are in. So let's check it out. Here's with no cleaning at all. 827.5 megabytes. The one that we cleaned out the clip list, 371.9 megabytes. And the one where we did the selected tracks option in the Save Copy In window, 362.9 megabytes. So you'll see by the results that either of these methods will make the session smaller. And this is a good idea to clean up before you send to somebody so you're not sending extra data. And that's basically it. I just wanted to show you real quick that you can clean out your session and make a smaller file size before you send to somebody. And they'll probably appreciate it. I know I do. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for checking me out and see you next time.